Today I'm going to talk about Google Drive. It was called Google Docs until a little while ago, but they've renamed it Google Drive. Google Docs, Google Drive is a place where you can put files on the internet for anyone to look at, for you to find when you're somewhere else other than at your computer, and work on your files. It's a very versatile system, and if you've looked at any of my many seminars after going to the list and pulled some of them up, you have used Google Docs or Google Drive, because this is a Google Doc right here. This is the list of my many seminars. Let me show you how it works.
The screenplay on your home computer. The presentation at work. Those vacation photos and videos on your phone. The trip itinerary on your tablet. Resumes, recipes, videos. With Google Drive, you can now access your files from wherever you are, even the big ones. Whichever program you're using, just drag and drop, and there are all your files ready to be opened by you and shared with anyone you want. Forget files being too big to email. Just share them with Drive, and everyone has the same file automatically that they can edit together from anywhere. Now all your stuff, work or play, is in one place. Easy to find and easy to share. Google Drive. Keep everything. Share anything.
Here's how it works from my point of view. When I sign in to Google Docs using my Gmail address, it comes up with a list of all the documents that I have used in Google Docs, Google Drive. For example, here is Hank's Mini Seminars and Tutorials. Brings that one up, and if I make a change to it, like something is slightly out of line, it says saving. Every change you make is automatically saved in Drive. The last edit was seconds ago. So any change you make is quickly updated. If I go back to my list, you will also find some spreadsheets. Here's a party we had at our house in Hawaii with the barbershoppers out there, and it was a list of what would you bring. It was a potluck. And so I put up a spreadsheet, and everyone in the chorus and their wives could go to this spreadsheet, because I sent them the link in an email, and they could type in what they were bringing to the potluck in a spreadsheet. Now let's talk about actually creating a document in Google Drive. Here's my list. Supposing that I want to go to this document that I used for everything you wanted to know about your computer in a recent mini seminar that I put together. Supposing I want to put that up on Google Docs on the internet so that everybody can see it. Well, I go back to my list of Google Docs and I click on Create. And what do I want to create? Do I want to create a spreadsheet? No, I want to create a document. I click on that, and I get a new document, Untitled. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is go to my Everything You Ever Wanted to Know, type Control-A, which selects everything in that document. Then I type Control-C, which puts everything on my clipboard. And now I go back to the Untitled document. I put the cursor there, and I type Control-V, and lo and behold, I have a Google Doc that is everything you ever wanted to know about your computer. So now I come up here and I type everything you ever wanted to know about your computer. Okay. So that's what I now have, and it now Well, if I go back over here to my list, you will see that there is a new document, alphabetically sorted, everything you ever wanted to know about your computer. And there it is. Now, how do I share this brand new document? Well, I come up to the box labeled Share, and as I hover over it, it says it's private only to me. Only right now can I access that. But if I click there on Share, a new box opens up. It says who has access? Only I can do that. Only the people listed below, and that's me. But if I want to change that, I can change it to be public on the web or anyone with the link. So if I wanted it anyone with the link, I would go there, and then I would go back to the link and send that to all my friends. I don't want that right now. I want to make it public on the web so anyone on the internet can find it and access. I save that, and here is the link to share. So you can now post it on the internet. You can put it in your this would be the thing that I put in my list of many seminars on that document. Make that a link, or make that link public so anyone can go there. They just pick it up from my list of many seminars. There is one more thing about the sharing of documents on Google Drive. If you have a document that you want, say, 4 or 5 other people to see and comment on, but only you and one other of those 5 are able, you want only the 2 of you to be able to edit that document, you can set it up like that. You can go to your Who Has Access page, you go to change it, you list that it's private and only people explicitly granted permission can access, and they have to sign in. So you change it to that, and then you save it, and then it will bring you up a page that says Add People. And as you add names and email addresses or groups of people down here, you can then select for each of those whether they can edit, can comment on it, or just can view it by changing where the check mark is for that particular person. And they will be notified by email that you have added them, and it'll tell them how to get to this particular document. I think that makes Google Docs very versatile for, or Google Drive I should say, very versatile for working on documents, for viewing documents, for sharing information without buying a domain name, building a website, and putting the thing that you want other people to see up on the web at no considerable expense. I like it.